Hello everyone, welcome to Devrat Knowledge Villa. You are watching our English video series of Computer Network and learning basics of Computer Network. Today we are going to discuss categories of network. In this session we will discuss three categories of network: LAN, MAN and WAN. In our earlier session, we have discussed network edge and network core. So guys, if you are still remain to watch that video of network edge and network core, so you can click on I button at top right corner and you can watch that video and come back here again to understand the categories of network. Let's start with the first category, that is local area network. Suppose number of computer systems are there and you are going to connect this few number of computer systems, so you can connect it by the wires, and for handling this all number of computer systems you have to make one system as a powerful server, and then after by connecting those number of computer systems with the cable you can make a simple network with the smaller size. So right now what is going to be used here? So these are the number of end systems which we have discussed into the network edge and network core. So these are the end systems you are watching, and this one is a powerful computer system. We are going to make it as a server. So this system is able to handle all number of other systems. Here we are putting one backbone cable and we are connecting this number of different systems with the end cables. Get it? So this type of arrangement is only for the particular area, and this thing is known as a local area network. Same thing, you can connect this number of systems without wire also by putting a router. Get it? So this type of arrangement generally available into the computer labs or number of offices, like in terms of educational organizations like schools, colleges, banks, hospitals. But thing is that whatever the network here we are going to establish, this network is for the limited area. It means for the campus only. Capacity of this type of smaller networks are very slow. We are not able to access this network into the one campus to another campus due to the lack of range. Get it? So it should be a wired or wireless network with the smaller capacity and uh, for the particular range. It means we can access the network within a campus. So this thing is known as a local area network. Now next category, that is metropolitan area network. In this case, suppose these are the different campus or different buildings into the city. So every campus have their own local area network. Get it? These are the building number 1. It is carrying their own local area network. These are the one another building which is carrying their own local area network. So if you will look about the entire city, so there are multiple buildings and multiple campus are there into a single city, and every campus have their own local area network. But now suppose we want to connect all these networks together, so we can make it with the connectivity. Get it? So it will become an entire network for the city, and this thing is known as a metropolitan area network. So if you will look about the good example of metropolitan area network, so whatever the cable TV network is there, you are access at your home television system. So that is the good example for the metropolitan area network, because cable network is for the entire city. Next category, that is wide area network. In this case, we will look worldwide. So according to the earth, if you will consider, so there are different countries into the earth, and at any point of earth or any place or any corner of earth, there are people are living, multiple cities are there, multiple villages are there. So everywhere network is going to be established. So for example, let's see, these are the different locations. Here we are going to take 3 different locations for the example. So somewhere in some of the countries or in some of the city, this metropolitan network area is located. Same thing is here, one main is located here and one another main is located here. And this whole metropolitan area network is carrying different local area network inside the main. So now suppose we want to connect this main. So we can make a connectivity with the main to main, and it will become a wide area network. So it will connect the more than one city, more than one town, more than one village, or more than one country. Get it? So very wide range is there to establish the communication. But one question in your mind, look, suppose there is earth to earth, but in between the earth there was an ocean. So what will happen to establish the network? So according to the computer network, whenever network service provider is there, so network service provider is establishing the cable inside the deep ocean. So these are the very powerful cables which is able to carry the higher frequency network connections. So no need to worry about the communication establishment from one country to another country. We can establish cable inside the ocean and we can transmit the frequency or we can transmit the network data from one man to another man. So hope you are understanding very well. The categories of networks are local area network, then after metropolitan area network, and then after wide area network. In our next session, we will discuss the comparison of LAN, MAN and WAN. Thanks for watching Devrat Knowledge Villa. Stay connected.